Hi! Congratulations on your Volkswagen ID.4. I know you're going to love it. I'm here to help you better understand some of the features and functions of the ID.4, so let's take a look. First up, let's get you comfortable in ID.4. With the key fob on you, the ID.4 unlocks as you walk up to it. The turn signal will flash twice, indicating the vehicle is unlocked. Once you're in the seat, just depress the brake and the ID.4 turns on. Turning off the vehicle is just as easy. Once in park, just exit the vehicle and close the door. Then touch the sensor on the handle. You should hear the vehicle lock, and the turn signals will flash once. Before driving off, make sure you're properly positioned for comfort and control. Set your side mirrors using the control on the driver's door. Turn the knob to select left or right. To enter the memory seat setting with the vehicle in park, press the Set button for 1 second until it illuminates, then press and hold the desired memory button until you hear a chime. If the seat position has changed with the door open, press the desired memory button and the seat and mirrors will move to the set position. And for added comfort, engage the massage function before you drive. Press once to activate the feature, and once to turn it off. You might notice there are only 2 window control switches. To open and close the rear windows, just tap the rear control until you hear the tone to activate the switches for rear window operation. To engage the drive system, fasten the safety belt and press the brake pedal. Then turn the selector knob to Drive, Reverse, or B mode for brake regeneration. A visual and audible signal indicate the drive system is ready. An important feature is the regenerative braking mode. There are 2 forward gears, D and B. Turning the drive selector once to the D position is the standard driving mode. No braking regeneration will occur unless the Eco mode is selected in the infotainment system. Turning the selector again toggles to the B or braking setting, which engages powerful energy regeneration while coasting. This helps recharge the battery while driving. To revert to D, toggle the drive selector clockwise again. Press the accelerator and you're off and running. You can tell your ID.4 what you want by simply saying, "Hello ID," or press the talk button on the steering wheel and follow that with your request. In the infotainment system, go to Home, Settings, Voice Operation. Then make sure that activation word is enabled. For example, if you say, "Hello ID, I'm cold," the climate control system will automatically increase the temperature. Or you can say, "Hello ID, open the sunshade," and the sunshade will automatically open. The touchscreen features access icons for many functions, including select apps, vehicle, sound, navigation, telephone, and more. Select an icon to open the menu for that feature. Touch the square to return to the home screen. To adjust the brightness or switch the background from light to dark, just pull down from the top of the screen, which reveals your notification screen. Choose light or dark for the background and use the slider to change the brightness. To navigate to a destination, select the navigation icon from the home screen. The destination screen shows suggested destinations, recently entered destinations, or saved favorites. Use the Search tab to enter a new destination. The list will populate with known destinations, refining the results as more data is entered. Select your destination, then tap Start. Save a destination as a favorite by tapping the heart icon. With an active route plan displayed, icons for waypoints, destination suggestions, and available charging stations will be displayed. Tap a charging station on the route plan. Details of the charging station will be displayed. If you wish to charge at this station, select Start. You will then have an option to cancel, add stopover, or direct route guidance. To pair a compatible phone, activate Bluetooth on the device, then open the list of available Bluetooth connections on the device. Select the My VW connection, which will be followed by the last 4 digits of the VIN. On some devices, a PIN may be generated. If the PIN matches one on the display, select Pair. Agree to all prompts. A mobile device only needs to be paired once. Once paired, then you can activate App Connect. This will connect automatically after the first activation. With App Connect, you can display and access select apps on your phone in the infotainment display using Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or MirrorLink. Open the App Connect menu. Select the mobile device as well as the operating system. Confirm the authorization request and agree to all prompts. And you can wirelessly charge a compatible phone by simply placing it on the charging mat in the center console facing up. To ensure the device has started charging, an indicator will appear briefly in the infotainment display. To adjust the climate control, touch the climate icon. The classic climate view appears. The temperature for either side of the cabin can be adjusted by tapping the plus or minus icons or by using the touch sliders under the display. Or use a smart climate setting, which are climate control shortcuts such as warm feet or defrost. Also in the climate screen, you can set seat heating to one of 3 levels by cycling the button. The heat level indicators will appear under the icon. You can also control seat heating by tapping with 2 fingers on the temperature touch slider under the infotainment system on either side. Standard on your ID.4 is advanced driver's assistance technology called IQ Drive. IQ Drive contains hands-on, semi-autonomous capability with travel assist, which combines adaptive cruise control with lane centering to maintain distance from vehicles ahead, while also holding the vehicle centered within marked lanes. To activate, press the Travel Assist button on the left side of the steering wheel. The Travel Assist indicator will illuminate in the instrument cluster. If the lane lines appear in green, the system is active. If the lane lines are not green, the system does not recognize the lane lines and it will not operate. If the icon appears in yellow, Travel Assist is not available. IQ Drive uses active side assist to help alert you to other cars that may be in your blind spot and can even countersteer to help you keep in your lane. Another capability of IQ Drive is front assist, which can alert you to a potential rear-end collision with a vehicle ahead and can apply increased brake pressure if necessary. When not using IQ Drive's semi-autonomous capability, Lane Assist can sense if you start to drift into another lane without using your turn signal and can help keep you in the current lane when lane markings are detected. IQ Drive can also alert you to vehicles crossing your path when backing up and can also apply brakes when needed with rear traffic alert. When using Travel Assist, Emergency Assist can activate if it senses the driver is no longer able to operate the vehicle and can bring the vehicle to a stop if the driver does not respond. IQ Drive's capabilities can be enabled or disabled in the infotainment system. The Easy Open rear gate operates hands-free. With the key fob in your pocket or bag, swing your leg in, then out near the center of the bumper without touching it and take a step back. The hatch will not open if you are too close. Like magic, hands-free access. To close, simply repeat the kick motion near the center of the bumper and walk away. There are several charging options available. First is the Level 1 charger that came with your ID.4. This operates off of a standard household 120-volt outlet and is intended as an alternative to high-voltage charging, but will require more time to charge. Just plug it in and connect it to the charging port. For customers who have longer commutes or who don't have charging at work, they find it's convenient to have a Level 2 wall box installed, which can charge your ID.4 overnight, providing 22 to 33 miles of range for every hour of charge. The more you know about your Volkswagen ID.4, the more you'll enjoy all that it has to offer. Now get out there and drive bigger.
ID.
What would you like to do?